Hello, logical thinkers. Today we are going to decode this particular program. So, starting with the class, public is the access modifier, the class is the keyword, and replace is the class name. And then we have the open curly braces. And then here, public is the access modifier, static is a keyword, and then void is the return type, which means that this particular method will not return anything. Main represents the method name. String is a class name. This particular square bracket represents array, and then args is the array name. And then coming to the fifth line, string is the class name, str is the object, and then programming is the word which is going to be stored in the str object. One another thing is string is nothing but a sequence of character. If you see P is a character and then R is a character and then O is a character. In such a way, GR programming, every single character are clubbed together. So programming is a word which is a sequence of character and it is stored in the str object. And then coming to the seventh line, we have string class and then new string is the object name. And then this particular string holds str dot replace m comma a. What does this particular line means? Str is this particular object and then dot replace. So in this particular string object, we are going to replace m character with a character, which means in this particular programming word, which is stored in this particular string object, here we have to replace all the m character with this particular a character. This is the meaning of this particular line. If you go inside this particular replace method, you have to press Control and then click on this method. If you scroll up, there will be a documentation by the Java developers. If you see, replacing all the occurrence of old character with new character. Here, the old character is M. So, and the new character is A. So, in string str object, the M will be replaced by A. So if you in the ninth line, if you print the new string object, then what will happen is it will bring the word programming, but it will replace this m with a and then this m with a. And then in the 11th line, you are going to print the str string object where the programming word will be printed without replacing m with a. Because this particular str contains programming only, right? We are replacing it and then we are storing it in a new string object. That is, the name of the new string object is new string. So let us run this particular program and the right hand side you will be able to see the output. So in new string, you will get the programming word by replacing m with a, and in str, you will see the programming word without any changes. Okay, if you see, you are able to see three A's. That is, one A is coming from the word, the other two M are replaced with A. And then if you see the second word, there is no change because in the existing str string object, we didn't do any change. We are doing the changes and storing it in a new string object, that is new string. Thanks for watching, guys.